Hey viewers, how is it going? So if you want to send your picture, your camera roll picture as a snaps on Snapchat, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can exactly send your camera roll picture as a snaps on Snapchat. So to do that, open your Snapchat apps in your mobile device. Then just press and tap hold to here like this. And then you can see there is a clip, and after that you can see there is a plus button here. Sorry for the volume. Okay, so now just tap on this icon. Let's say I want to send this picture, and then just tap on this tick mark. Now you can see there is two clips. One is your previous recorded one and another is selected one. Just tap on this previous one and you can see there is a little crash icon. Just tap on this. So now just this one is available. Now just tap on this, and now here you have to set this image, zooming the picture by pinching your two finger on the screen. Okay, so now just tap on this. Now just tap here, send to. Now select the person who you want to send this, and let's say this, and after that just send. And this is how you can easily send camera roll picture as a snaps on Snapchat. So if you think this video is helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.